Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video we will discuss how to create and access your MySawgrass account. The first step is to visit sawgrassinc.com. From here you will select the MySawgrass link on the top of the website. This will launch the MySawgrass platform. Once the MySawgrass page opens, you will select the Join button in the top right corner of the screen to begin your account creation. To create your account, you will provide your first and last name, email, and create a profile name. You will also need to create a password that includes an uppercase letter, lowercase letter, number and a symbol. The final step is to complete the CAPTCHA requirements and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you hit sign up, it will send you an account verification email to the email that you provided during the account creation. Please then confirm your email address, and once you have completed this process, you are ready to start accessing and using your MySawgrass account. Please also note that this account information is the same information that you will use when signing into Sawgrass Print utility. You can also have your browser remember this login information for easy access to the account in the future. That's all for today. See you next time.